How to fix Remini app limit read problem. So if you want to fix Remini app limit reach problem, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After having a stable internet connection, you just need to simply go with your Remini, open up your Remini, and when you try to enhance your photos or when you try to create a video with Remini, then within just few tries, it says app limit reached. So this problem exists if you don't have a sub plan. But if you have a subscription plan or a pro plan, then you won't be able to face this kind of problem. But if you have a free trial period, and if the trial period has ended and you won't be able to create much photos and videos within 24 hours or within a day, you will have a limit. So in order to fix this problem, you just need simply wait for an hour or for 24 hours, and then once you reopen the app, it will most likely not say that anymore, and then you'll be able to use the app as normal again. Now let's say that you don't want to wait, then literally all you can do is just go with your second phone, get a new phone or get your friend's phone, download the application on that, and then you'll be able to progress a lot of images again. That's basically the easiest fix, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.